Today's video is a week's worth of dinners.
It's a super cold and rainy day today, so I think we're gonna make soup tonight for dinner. So I've got all my spices in here. I've got a little bit of lemon pepper, garlic powder, some seasoned salt, and some nutmeg. I've got cream cheese, broccoli, carrots, diced onion. I've also got my nothing but bouillon, or better than bouillon, and then just 2 cups of water. All right, so now I'm gonna bake some bread to go with the soup. I will link the recipe to the French bread that I use in the description.
We absolutely love this French bread recipe. I actually got it from my friend Megan over at Pennies and Salt, and this is a collaboration with her. She will be sharing a week's worth of dinners as well, so definitely check out her video. I will have it linked in the description, but it's just sometimes you run out of ideas, especially in the fall when it's cold outside. So definitely check out her video after this, and we'll link this bread recipe in the description. It is such a good bread recipe and it's so easy for beginners. My daughter has been wanting to learn how to make this bread recipe, which is why I had her at the beginning, and then she disappeared and started playing, but I had to move on. So I went ahead and shredded up, blended up all the vegetables, added some cheese, and it was pretty much done from there. My bread, it was so good, y'all.
I already started eating my bread, but here it is.
That sizzle, y'all would think I was like a chef. But tonight was actually Bible study night, so I needed to throw something quickly together. So I chopped up this turkey sausage, added some Brussels sprouts, some onions, garlic, seasoning, all the things, and some olive oil, and sauteed it all in a pan. Once that was done, I added in some pasta. And that was it. Just a quick, simple dinner. And it was a huge hit in our home. I will have as many of these recipes linked in the description as possible. So look down there.
All right. So tonight we're doing a 1 sheet pan meal. I went ahead and mixed together some lemon pepper, lemon juice, some avocado oil, some garlic salt, and some minced garlic. Went ahead and mixed that all in the pan, so I didn't mix it anywhere else, so it creates no mess at all, not a lot of dishes. I mixed it all in the pan together and then just separated it so that everything can cook evenly. Now I bake it at 400 and then broil it right before I pull it out. These are chicken thighs, onions, and potatoes. That's it.
So I keep portion sizes small because I prefer for them to ask for seconds rather than waste my food. But it was good and they loved it.
All right, so tonight I am going to be making a 1 pan meal in my cast iron skillet with potatoes, sausage, onion, Brussels sprouts, and vegetable broth, garlic, and a couple of seasonings.
As you can see, I'm trying to use up what we have in our home, which is like potatoes, Brussels sprouts, onions, turkey sausage. So you see it coming back over and over again. But I definitely, that's how you save money. You just reuse it and do it in different ways. So we have only cast iron skillets in our home, and I just love cooking in them for the extra iron. I also have 1 pan. I do. I have 1 pan for like eggs and stuff. But even though I do make eggs in my cast iron, so I don't know if that counts. But I love using the cast iron skillet. I love the fact that it can transition straight from stovetop to under the oven, and it's so easy to clean and maintain. So that's pretty much what we use in our home. But anyway, so I just sauteed up the onions, added some garlic, and now the potatoes. And then I went ahead and added in the broth and covered it up and let it cook for a minute, and then added in the turkey sausage. Ooh, I almost forgot about my Brussels sprouts. Yes, Brussels sprouts was on sale this week, y'all. Buy one, get one free. So they keep making a comeback, but it's healthy. It's a vegetable. So so yes, I did add in Brussels sprouts as well to the mixture. I find that seasoning really matters as long as things are seasoned very well. I find that the children are more likely to eat it. I use this Montreal chicken seasoning on this mixture, and it was a huge hit. As long as my things are not too spicy, not too salty. My children are picky, but as long as things are seasoned very well, I find that I don't usually have a lot of pushback when it comes to mealtime. Let me know, is it the same in your home? Like, are your kids into specific types of seasonings, or are they just like the type of wonderful children that eat anything that you put in front of them? I know that, like, I look at my friends' kids, like they'll just be eating raw stuff straight from straight from the fridge. I'm like, oh my goodness, I wish. No, my kids are incredibly picky. I'm sorry, my lighting just was not working for me here. It was like fuzzy and stuff, but and dark, but it was a huge hit. Hubby loved it and the kiddos loved it. Today, I am making this pork shoulder for the first time. I'm making pork shoulder. I'm super excited about it.
So I clean my meat. I know that's a very like Haitian thing or cultural thing, but I have it in here with vinegar and some salt, and I'm going to trim off as much fat as I can and wash my meat and then clean my sink. All right, so my meat is seasoned, and now I am um, sauteing it in the Instant
All
Pot.
right, so you're going to have to take my word for it when I tell you that it browned very nicely. My hubby had to end up finishing this because I got super exhausted, but we paired it with some black beans and white rice, and it was delicious. Until next time, bye.